My name is Ulrich Wittrock. I'm Professor of Physics at Münster University of Applied Sciences, and I'm responsible for the International Master's Program in Photonics. The topics of our master program can be broadly categorized into three areas. We have fundamentals, where we teach you the theory. We have systems, where we teach you how to develop a system, for example, a laser system or an optical system. And we have applications, where we teach you how to apply the systems.
My name is Orestis Kazasidis. I come from Greece and I first came in Münster in 2011 and I started studying at the Münster University of Applied Sciences in the master's program Photonics. I decided to study at the Münster University of Applied Sciences because it was one of the few universities in this technical area that I was interested in that offered a master's program in English. What I especially liked about the Münster University of Applied Sciences was that it had specific structures that could help me and guide me through the first especially challenging months. So for example, the international office, it was a nice opportunity to get to know more people from the university and the students that study there.
My name is Torben Fieler and I'm a PhD student in the Photonics labs at the Münster University of Applied Sciences. And I work in the area of laser development for ultra-short pulse lasers. I finished both my bachelor's degree in 2016 and my master's degree in 2019 at the Münster University of Applied Sciences. What I really liked about the master's program Photonics is that there are not that many students and the working groups are pretty small. So everyone knows each other and also the professor knows you. So that means if you have any problems with the content of the lecture, you can just consult him and he will have time for you.
The special characteristics of our master's program in photonics is that the students get a very deep understanding of optical technologies. They also get a lot of hands-on experience in our lab classes. And our labs are very well equipped because we do a lot of research projects. So students in the end will be very experienced and will have hands-on training on optical technologies and modern optical measurement techniques.
My name is Hagen Ziemer and I'm the Managing Director of Trumpf Laser Schramberg here in the Black Forest, and I'm part of the advisory board of the entire Trumpf Group. I graduated in the year 1997 at the University of Applied Sciences, Münster. The studies we are seeing there are made up of different disciplines which we know from engineering. Mechanics, optics, electronics, and all merged together to get the greatest symbiosis out of it.
I'm Maike Prosotewitz and I studied at the University of Applied Science in Münster and I studied there the Master in Photonics. Since 2021 I'm an employee of Trumpf. My experience at the University of Applied Science in Münster was very enriching. I learned a lot of practical skills that are very useful for my business now.
As a German student, your reputation in foreign companies is pretty good because education in the field of optics and laser technology is pretty outstanding in Germany. In general, the professors in our master's program are really well connected to the companies all over the world. In my case, my supervising professor actually offered me to go to a company in the US. There I got the opportunity to do an internship for 6 months and then to write my master's thesis there.
Our program in photonics covers the full spectrum of photonic technologies because, for example, we integrate colleagues from the Department of Chemistry that cover material science aspects, and our research labs provide opportunities for research for students already, and some students later on go on for a PhD in our university.
What I like about Münster is that you have the best of two worlds. On the one hand, you have a beautiful countryside, and on the other hand, there are a lot of students living in Münster. I would recommend the master's program Photonics to people who have fun with physics and are generally interested in optics, laser technology, optical communications, nano and quantum optics, or general measurement techniques.
I feel fortunate to have given the opportunity to have the Münster University of Applied Sciences as my alma mater, and I learned how to be a scientist there.